In this video, I am going to show you how to convert portrait video to landscape in CapCut. So the first thing that you'll need to do is just go and create a project. Here I'm just going to import or add like a portrait video. I guess this one, I just downloaded this. And yeah, here we are. So here is our video and we want to change it from portrait to landscape. So in here to change it, all you need to do, just go to the video and make sure it is selected as an example. Then go, as you can see, so here we are. So we have here full, we have zoom, and we have ratio. You'll have to go to this ratio, click on it, and here you'll have original, and you can choose custom, but for us, we can just choose this 16 2.9. So if you go and click on that, as you can see, our video become like landscape right away. As you can see now, if I go and play the video from the beginning, so if I hit the Control Z button, as you can see, this is how it was. So it was basically a landscape. Now, if I go and click on ratio, then click on this, as you can see, it will now transform it into a portrait, or sorry, a landscape. So it was a portrait, now it's a landscape. So as you can see now, we have this. They added black here and here. Of course, you can put stuff. Here an example, you can even try to get a background, and it's totally up to you. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.